Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about sorting, importance of sorting in programming, different types of sorting algorithms and much more. So let's begin. Sorting is a process to rearrange data as per specified order like ascending or descending. Sorting algorithms are backbone of programming. So related to this, I would like to highlight few points about sorting algorithms. It is easy to find data in sorted list. This we have seen in binary search algorithm. You can refer to my binary search algorithm tutorial in Algorithm 101 playlist. The link for the same is given in the description. Sorting is great for learning recursion and also to calculate the time complexity of a loop. Sorting reduces the time complexity of an algorithm. Sorting algorithms can be applied in searching, data structures, divide and conquer, and database algorithms. So let's understand how knowledge of sorting and other algorithms help you crack interview of tech companies. If you're preparing for tech interview of companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, then you must brush up your knowledge of data structures and algorithms. Product-based companies often expect you to demonstrate your problem-solving abilities. Check how good you are at analyzing which algorithm to choose from and provide an efficient solution to the given problem. So here is the list of different sorting algorithms. Now you must be wondering why so many sorting algorithms when their output is same, whether the data is sorted in ascending or descending order. So when it comes to providing an efficient solution to a particular problem, there are few factors that we must consider. First is the time taken by an algorithm to run, which is called the time complexity. Second is the auxiliary space used by an algorithm to complete the task. And in the end, the stability of an algorithm, which requires that if any two equal elements in original as well as sorted list remain the same, then the algorithm becomes stable. It gives me immense pleasure to bring to you the tutorials on various sorting algorithm which will help you enhance your knowledge base and get a high-paid job. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on upcoming sorting algorithm videos. Till then, keep working with smile.